Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video, what does it say here? How to get your YouTube channel monetization enabled or eligibility in less than 7 days. Are we on the wrong video? Hi Peter, are we on the wrong video? No, we're not wrong. Okay, so yeah, okay, we are on the right video. So it says instant maze generator, right? Okay, I remember. All right, so here it says how to get your YouTube channel monetization eligibility in less than 7 days. I think, yeah, I have to tell you the secret, right? So make sure you watch this video till the end, because this is going to be very interesting to you guys. If your channel is not monetized, then watch the video till the end with both eyes open, because we are going to tell you a way how you can get your YouTube channel monetization eligibility, those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, organically, ethically and legally in 7 days. Okay, so make sure you stick till the end. And let's go to the website now. It's called instantmazegenerator.com. so this is the instant maze generator review actually, and before we get into the review, make sure we go and see some disclaimers first of all. So secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online. So if you find any make money online offers which says that you will make some money with those offers if you buy them, stay away. Don't waste your money on the internet. That's the first secret, how to make money online. Okay, save money, that's how you make money. Second disclaimer is concept of bonuses is exposed, so stop wasting money by seeing some bonuses. Bonus is nothing, it's only a brainwash. Okay, so all these stupid affiliates, they crap you about bonuses, $10,000 bonus, $5,000 bonus, as if they're putting money into a bank account. Nobody's putting money into a bank account. Okay, so don't worry about the bonuses. We will talk about the bonuses as well in the end. And now let's go ahead and start the review. Before that, very important thing is subscribe to this channel, because this channel saves your money. We don't let you lose your money. We don't recommend any make money online offers. So this channel is all about saving your money. Like the video, comment. These 3 things are free. Subscribe, like, comment, everything is free. Okay, let's start the review. It's instant maze generator review. It says brand new 5-in-1 cloud-based app helps you create your own 100% unique maze books in minutes. Comes with commercial use rights, so you can profit from selling on Amazon KDP. I have no problem with this software, because this is not a make money online offer. This only generates some unique maze ebooks for you, which you can sell on Amazon. That's what it is. So I do not have any cons about this. I don't have to say any negative thing about this website, because they are doing only one simple thing. They are helping you to create these maze ebooks which you can sell on Kindle. Okay, so this is what you can see on the website, their features and everything here. These are the ebooks, how it looks like. 3200 copies plus sold and everything. So this is how they're going to help you to generate these ebooks and everything. And they have a demo video for you as well, which we will see. These are the creators you saw, and 3 steps. This is the maze you can see here, the maze puzzles. And let's go further down. Everything is okay. There's nothing, I don't see any screenshots here which says okay, you will make this kind of money, that kind of money, which is very good, because this is not a fake offer. This is a very genuine offer. They're gonna give you what they're saying, and it has got nothing to do with make money online. Okay, and what I'll do is I will actually put a link of this demo in the description box, because this is a demo here. It's a 15 minutes long demo. I will not play the demo for sure, because it's too long, and this video is getting longer as well. So what I'll do is I'll put this link of the demo video in the description box. You can watch the demo, how this works, and then you can buy it if you want. I do not have any links for this product. I'm not promoting this product as an affiliate. This is only a review. Okay, so you will go ahead and see this demo. After that, you can come to the website and you can buy here. Click here on buy now. If you want to grab the copy, you can grab the copy. Okay, and also let's talk about the bonuses here, because we told you that all these affiliates on YouTube, they talk about you get $10,000 bonus, $8,000. I don't know from where they get these numbers, right? So they don't really put the money into your pocket or into your bank account, so it's all a lie. Don't fall for bonuses, because bonuses are just brainwasher, right? Now I will give you unlimited bonuses though. So let's go to this website called idplr.com. Now once you open this website called idplr.com, then you need to go to this section called free products, and under free products you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free this, free that. Click on free free ebooks or any category, and then here you will see all those free products which you can get for free, download, right? So you see here this one called how to create your own physical video products, and this is master resale right. Master resale right means that you can download the product from here and sell it on your own website, and you can charge clients for that. So get it for free from here and then charge it to somebody else. How cool is that, right? So all these other affiliates, they they make fool of you. They download free products from other websites, and they just say that it's a bonus, right? Bonus of $10,000 or whatever. From how dare you talk like that? 10,000, 5,000, idiots, right? So this is all free here. You can come to idplr.com, sign up for a new account, then go to free products, download anything which you want. Even you can use these products as lead magnets, and you can you can give it to your email subscribers, and they can download it for free, and they can subscribe to your list. So this is how you can get free bonuses. Just to recap here, you go to this website. If you want to buy, then buy. They have a demo. I'll leave the link in the description. And before we end the video, let me talk about the bonus here, because I told you how you can get your channel monetized in 7 days. Not really monetized, but meet the eligibility and then monetize the channel. Okay, so we'll show you 2 ways how to make money online, the genuine, real ways. First is obviously YouTube, and second is by starting your blog. Okay, so to understand everything in detail, let's go ahead and watch the other part of my video, and you will understand exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so the first way how you can make money online is using YouTube. Okay, so it says right down the screen how to make money on YouTube and get your channel monetized, right? This is what we talked about in the beginning. Now, first of all, you can make money on YouTube in 2 ways. First is even when your channel is not monetized, right? So you can do some reviews about the products, and then you can put in your affiliate links in the description, and then you can make sales even if your channel is not monetized. Okay, so that is a way how you can start making money online. If you can speak on YouTube, maybe on camera or in the mic like me. So if you know how to make YouTube videos, you can start doing affiliate marketing, and that's how you can make money online. But what I am here for is I can actually get your YouTube monetization eligibility in next few days, rather than maybe 7 days, 10 days, sometimes 3 days, 5 days. So it's random. But if you want your channel to be monetized, like it will not be monetized in 7 days, but it will have the eligibility to get monetized in 7 days. And I'm talking about those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and we will tell you how you can do it organically, right? So if you want to learn how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a week, within 10 days, or within less time, then you have to follow me, because I'm going to tell you the instructions, what you need to do, right? So I cannot tell you everything in one single video. It will be very long video, okay? So I can't do that. And also there is another way which you can use to earn money online. That way is blogging. We'll talk about that, but let's talk about the YouTube first, how you get to your channel monetized. This is for those people who want to earn money from YouTube ads as well, and want to grow their channel quickly. Okay, so this will be your kickstart. Now, how do you start the process? First of all, you will need to book a consultation with me. Okay, I'm not some guru. I do not have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, but I have some knowledge. Okay, I do know what to do in order to get your channel monetized, to give you kickstart. All right, so you don't have to wait in the queue. If you just go ahead and do it on your own, it will take you 1 year or more to get to those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, and you might never get there. Okay, so I can tell you shortcut which is organic, which is real, which works, and that will take you hardly 10 days or 7 days to get those 1,000 subscribers and this 4,000 watch hours. And for that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna speak to me for 60 minutes at least. So what I'm offering here is you can talk to me in a Skype call, one-to-one consultation. I will charge you 100 US dollars if you want to speak with me and take my consultation, because during those 60 minutes I will actually connect with your laptop screen, share your laptop screen, and then show you practically how you will make those videos which needs to be there to gain those watch hours. So I'll help you to create those videos, and you don't have to come on the camera, you don't have to speak anything. There will be just videos. I'll tell you how we can make them, and then we will use those videos to get those 1,000 subscribers and those 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so I'll do this with you on Skype call on your laptop screen. You will have the opportunity to ask me any questions which you will have in those 60 minutes, and I will tell all the techniques, the secrets to grow your YouTube channel within those 60 minutes. Okay, I'll tell you everything possible I can. I'll show you everything practically on your laptop. Okay, this is what you get, because understand one thing: in order to make money, you need to have money, because you have to invest somewhere, because money attracts money. Okay, if you're broke and you think you will get rich, only in the dreams. Only two types of people get rich: either they are poor and they have done something extraordinary, they have exceptional talent, they did something extraordinary and then they became rich. Second are those people who are already rich and they're making poor people more poorer. Okay, so only two types of people get rich: one out of the blue, second who are already rich. All right, if you're in the middle, you will reach nowhere. All right, so yes, I will charge you, and the charges are in public here. So it's not like I'm telling you $100 and to somebody else I'll tell you something else. So the charges are in public. I will charge you $100 for 60 minutes. I will give you the consultation how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 7 days. Okay, and I will practically show you how to create those videos which will be used on your channel to make the to get the this eligibility done. And then also you can probably delete those videos if you don't want to later on. So we'll talk about that in the personal call, one-to-one. We can't tell you everything just right here in public, right? So this is one way. If you want to get your channel monetized, you will find a link in the description below. Okay, so you need to email us. So you have to contact us on that email, and then we will fix your appointment whenever I'm available, or whenever you're available. We'll book the appointment accordingly after the payment, and then I'll call you on Skype and we will talk for 1 hour, do the consultation, and then you will be able to get your channel monetized in next 7 days or 10 days. Eligibility, actually monetization can take up to 1 month. Okay, so your channel will get eligible once you talk to me in next 7 days. And also we have to use some resources. So to get your 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, we will have to use some resources, and that will cost you some extra money. I'll talk about everything when you're on the call with me, but those resources will cost you less than my fees. Okay, so have that in mind. Those resources will cost you less than $100. All right, so this is one way. And if you don't have that money, then go to the other way, that do the hard work and wait for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years to get those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, and see then if you can get your channel monetized or not. But if you want to kickstart, then contact me, drop me an email, book the appointment, do the consultation with me, and I'll help you to get your channel monetized within a month probably, right? And I will also tell you some secrets and tips, right? And the next thing, how you go ahead and make some money online is by doing blogging and by doing affiliate reviews. Okay, so how to make money with blogging and how to write affiliate reviews, how to make money. So I'll show you the secret here. First of all, you need to have a website, or you need to have your own blog. If you don't, then you will find a link in the description below. Now that link actually gives you unlimited hosting. So go buy a domain, and then if you click on this website, which is in the link below, that website is called Hostpresso here, as you can see this one. Now this website gives you unlimited website and domain hosting, which means that if you're a newbie, you don't have to spend a lot of money. You just buy this hosting in one-time cost, and these people will not charge you monthly. So in that way you can get your website and blog up and up and running in one-time cost. Okay, now once your website is up and running, what you need to do is you need to do the reviews of these Warrior Plus products, of ZBZ products and other products, in digital courses. Okay, now how do you do that? For that, let's go back to this Google here. In Google, you just type in, let's say, secret email system review. Okay, now here you will see this first website, softskillset.com. Now open this website. You can open any website like this one here as well. All these websites are doing reviews. Okay, so let's open one of those, and then here you will see how they have drafted and published this review. It's very attractive, or it's very neat and clean, as you can see. So this is the review here they have, and then you can see how they're reviewing the product. They have a video as well, and everything is here. So what you're gonna do is, there are two ways to do this. Either you write all this content in your own language, right? Just take a reference from this website and then do it in your own language or in your own words. If you don't want to do that, then you can just simply copy all this here. Let's do copy and go on the top. So just copy here, and then we come to this website called article rewriter tool. So the website is smallsEOtools.com/article-rewriter. You come to this website and then you paste all that. Okay, you paste all that and make sure those words are not beyond 2000 words. Okay, because this tool only has a limit until 2000 words, and 2000 words are enough for a review. Okay, now all you need to do is click on rewrite article. Okay, once you click on rewrite article and fill up the security pictures here, so once this tool has rewritten this article, then you can use it on your own website and blog. As you can see, it's rewriting the content, and this is what you can get from this tool, and then go back to your website, paste this review there, and that is how you will get traffic from Google eventually in the coming few days, in the coming future. Okay, so this is how you make money with blogging, by setting up your own review blogs, and then go to this Google search and see which websites are ranking for those products. Then take reference from those websites, either write the review in your own words, or you can do this article rewriter as we have shown you as an example here, and then you publish those reviews on your own website. Okay, this is how you can go ahead and pick it up from here. This is your new article which is ready to go, which you can publish on your website. Okay, so just to recap, in order to make money online, you have to get your channel monetized. If you want to get your channel monetized in less than 10 days, or you want to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours organically, ethically, legally, then contact us, book your appointment, 60 minutes, $100 US. I will talk to you personally, one-to-one. No bullshit here, no online courses, no nothing, you and me only. Okay, directly. So this is one option. Second option is you can buy the unlimited hosting, and check out this option here, Hostpresso. Buy unlimited hosting. If you can't make YouTube videos, you don't want to make YouTube videos, then start your own review blogs and buy this hosting. Link in the description, and that is how you can get your get your affiliate site up and running. Okay, so this is how you make money online. And if you need to talk to me, you know how to do it now. You'll find the email in the description, and it's chargeable. Okay, so let's end this video for now. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. That's most important, because you will get free videos if you subscribe to our channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.